Gillykube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm coming to you. I've got so much paint that I've made up to get through some videos, and I'm trying to do some videos in advance because we're hoping to go away for a week or so in the near future, but I'll probably be taking some videos while I'm actually away, just of our journey. But anyway, let's get to it. I had this sort of really hot pink made up in this container for quite a long time now, so I'm just going to maybe use this as a base and see how I go, see if it's still okay. Ooh, okay, see how we go with this. I have something in mind, but as you do sometimes, it doesn't always go to plan, but I'm going to try it. So it's sort of a hot fuchsia pink. It's a really lovely colour for those that love hot pinks, but obviously if you're not a pink lover, then it's a no-go. But I'm going to try something with it. I'm hopefully trying to keep it simple, she says. Saying and doing two different things. I'm not going to worry about my edges yet because I may end up taking the paint over them with either blowing out or swiping. Let's see how we go. But that's a really nice, that is a really nice colour. Beautiful. So I'm really gonna try and keep it simple, she said. Keep it simple. Rightio. That's it. It's been a really nice sunny warm day here, but we're supposed to be in our winter period, so it's a little bit unexpected that it's so warm, but certainly not complaining. Rightio, I've got this has been made up a while too. This is my Berry Delicious, I'm hoping, pretty sure, or is it, looks black to me. Maybe I've got this one wrong. Let's just see. I think it's my Berry Delicious. Oh, let's go it anyway. I'm going to do this kind of composition because it seems to really work out nice. Oh, I think I've got a gobbly bit that's just dropped out there, so I'm gonna, oh, I think it's definitely my Berry Delicious, and it looks like it's got some of the dragonfly glaze in it. Makes it all sparkly, which is lovely. So I'm going to keep that in it. I'm actually looking for my gold. So I've got gold here. I'm going to add to the Berry Delicious. I better give it a shake because all of these have been made up in the container. Oh, I've got dogs going crazy here because I've got two females on heat at the same time, so it's doing Benson's head in. It's so I'm trying to keep him away from them both. We don't want any puppies this season, so keeping them away. But anyway, on we go. I'm going to put some white in here. Really want to keep it simple, so might just add a little bit of, probably don't even need this, but it's just the purple, so let's see, it's something that's I just thought would be really light and simple, but we'll see how we go. If it doesn't work out too well, then I'll go to plan B. This one is actually a heat embossing wand. You find them in where the cardstock, or in my link below they sell them online. They're just a heat wand. Instead of using a butane torch, they're far safer. You don't have to use butane torch. So it's called a heat embossing wand. I call it my wonder wand. Okie doke. This is my mini blower that I found in a charity shop, and I still get asked all the time. I'm just expecting it to blow up because I've used it so many times. This yellow bit on the end is just me taping it to get a smaller bit of air coming out there. So I'm just deciding which way to go with this. So wow, lovely. Look at that. That's quite nice. Just blow out some of the pink now. Over the edges. Rightio. Wow, that's pretty. Just those few colours. That's really pretty, but I'll definitely soften it up with my balloon because that's what I do. So it'll be a kiss and blow. Where is my balloon hiding? Okay, it's gone tatas. I absolutely cannot see a balloon. Okay, here you go. It's blown away. I've got a bit of a deflated balloon. It's not real big, so I just want to push it in some of the areas to soften it up. Oh, look at that. You can definitely kiss these balloons onto another canvas if you so wish. And I love the Chaos Blow and Balloon Kiss together. They really do complement each other. They look super together. You don't have to actually kiss your balloon. You can roll it, slide it, do whatever you fancy. But the techniques together work super, super well. Just, you know, if you want to get rid of any parts in there that you're not quite happy with, soften them up, then just do so with a balloon. It's lovely. Wow. Really, really like that. I'll bring a bit more colour in there. I think that's all that needs. Just a little diddly dob. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at these because it, oh, not kick the bucket. Oh, okie doke. I'm going to bring you down. Oh my goodness. How simple was that, but how effective the colours with that hot pink background. So that is absolutely gorgeous. I am chuffed to bits with that one. So definitely the Chaos Blow and Kiss works so well together. I've been doing that for a long time now, adding my balloon kissing to Chaos Blows, and it never fails to give me joy every time. I just love it. Look at these cells. That's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you love it too. Give it a go. Like I say, I'm trying to do art that is achievable for the masses. You don't have to be an artist. You just have to have a will to do it. And it's absolutely, definitely fun and therapy for those that just require to unwind. So super duper happy with that. Until tomorrow, my lovelies, please take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely, anything in between, please ring a friend or a family member or a helpline. Do not suffer alone. There is always somebody there to help out. So take care. If you're no good to yourself, you're no good to anyone else. So bye for now.